Hello friends, are you struggling with pet hair all over your house? AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum is here to save the day. This innovative device combines grooming and vacuuming, making it a game changer for pet owners. Designed with multiple attachments, including a de-shedding tool and grooming brush, it caters to all dog breeds and coat types. The AIRROBO efficiently collects loose fur while grooming, reducing shedding, and keeping your home clean. Its low-noise motor ensures a stress-free experience for your pet, while its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to use and store. Regular grooming with this device not only keeps your pet's coat shiny and healthy but also minimizes allergens in your living space. With rave reviews from pet owners, the AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum is a must-have for anyone looking for a cleaner, more efficient grooming solution. Get yours today and enjoy a fur-free home. Why people love the AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum. The AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum has quickly gained popularity among pet owners, and it's easy to see why. This all-in-one grooming tool simplifies the grooming process while keeping your home clean. Here are the top reasons people love it. Mess-free grooming. Its powerful vacuum suction captures loose fur and dander directly into the bin, reducing mess. Time-saving. Grooming and cleaning up fur happen simultaneously, making it ideal for busy pet parents. Pet-friendly design. With low noise levels and gentle grooming attachments, it ensures a stress-free experience for pets. Versatility. Equipped with multiple grooming tools, it's suitable for various coat types and grooming needs. Cost-effective. By reducing trips to the groomer, the AIRROBO vacuum saves money in the long run. Ease of use. Lightweight and easy to operate, it's a perfect choice even for beginners. For pet owners seeking convenience and efficiency, the AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum delivers exceptional value, making it a beloved tool in countless households. Why the AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum outshines other vacuums. When it comes to pet grooming, the AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum stands out from the competition. Here's why it's a better choice for pet owners. Specialized for pets. Unlike regular vacuums, AIRROBO is designed with pet grooming in mind, offering tools that cater to various coat types. Built-in grooming tools. It combines grooming brushes and vacuum suction, streamlining grooming and cleanup in one step. Mess-free operation. While traditional vacuums may scatter fur, AIRROBO captures loose hair directly, keeping your space spotless. Low noise levels. Its quiet operation minimizes stress for pets, making grooming a more comfortable experience. Custom attachments. AIRROBO offers multiple attachments tailored for de-shedding, trimming, and brushing, unlike general-purpose vacuums. Compact and lightweight. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, even for extended grooming sessions. Cost efficiency. Save on professional grooming fees while enjoying professional-grade results at home. For pet owners looking for efficiency and convenience, the AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum is a superior choice that goes beyond the capabilities of regular vacuums. Thank you for watching my video. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel and check out the description to find the product link.